Hi guys, in today's video something a little bit more different. As you can see, I want to talk about how total ACoS on Amazon can be misleading. Why I say that? Recently I ran a poll on LinkedIn and 98%, 89% of you told that you use total ACoS as a measure of success on Amazon, and that's perfectly fine. But there are some exceptions where total ACoS can be misleading. One of the most important ones is the external traffic. So if your brand is running any external traffic like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or any of that, you need to factor that in. But there is an issue with that. Okay, it's easy to factor the total ad spend, but you cannot properly measure, even with the advanced tools out there, you cannot properly measure the impact of external traffic, being Google Ads or Facebook Ads, or even here influencer marketing or anything else that you paid for outside of Amazon, so that you can say, okay, my total ACoS is fixed. If you're running only Amazon ads and nothing outside of that, which is today's rarely the case, then total ACoS can be okay, but it's not absolutely okay, because you don't measure incrementality, you don't measure the outside influence on the buying decision and behavior. So that's one. And there's an example. Okay, so you spend on Amazon ads 10K and your sales are 40K. Your total ACoS would be 25. You would be happy if that's the desired number. In reality, you spend additional 15K on Google Ads and the total business revenue is 55. And then when you factor in the Google ad spend with your Amazon ad spend, you get that your total ACoS is actually 45. It's not that simple. That's what I wanted to say. So it's not like total ACoS is the king and that's it. Same goes with the influencer marketing. You paid some of the influencers or you send some of the products to them. You cannot factor that in. So maybe you invested, I don't know, $50 just to send your product or whatever. The price is $500 to send your product to the influencer, and they drove massive. They went viral and drove like tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales. You cannot say your total ACoS was great because of Amazon. It's just not the case. Same goes with any paid content that you did online. So my point is, yes, total ACoS is good, but don't forget the ACoS. I feel like in our industry, everybody's now talking like ACoS is trash. ACoS doesn't mean anything. So how do you actually measure profit on Amazon if your ads are profitable or not? Okay, if the case is that you have everything external now, everybody does something external. So don't hold to any of the metrics like it's the king or gold or whatever you like to call it. Total ACoS is fine. ACoS is fine. Whatever. Somebody likes to use a return on ad spend or whatever works for you, that's okay. Cost per acquisition, cost per um, new customer, new to brand, whatever. It's a blend of everything that's happening on Amazon. It's a mix. It's a context on what's happening in every single account. There's not a single metric that works, and that's it. Let me know your thoughts. I feel like this is a little bit strange for many, but yeah, I'm glad that I talked about it because I feel like total ACoS is kind of really misleading. Stay tuned and see you on Monday with the new videos. Bye bye, guys.